Kidzuna has served as a special place, strengthening the bond between parents and kids. Let us meet Mrs. Persia Santo Tomas from the city of Lucena.
Ellie is a blessing, an answered prayer, yung happiness na naramdaman namin nung dumating siya, hindi namin kayang ipaliwanag kung gaano kasaya. Until mag 3 months old siya, doon namin nalaman na meron siyang heart problem. Kaka-3 lang niya noon. Dinala ko siya dito. Grabe yung sayang nakikita ko sa kanya. Na sa tingin ko, bilang nanay, yung makita ko na nag-enjoy yung anak ko, yung makita ko na masayang-masaya yung anak ko, ganun din yung pakiramdam ko. Na pwede naman pala niyang maramdaman na normal siya kapag ka naandito siya sa Kidzuna.
Kidzuna is dedicated to bringing more smile to every family that walks through our doors. At Kidzuna, we believe in creating more than just a fun-filled playground. We strive to cultivate a dynamic space where parents and kids can forge unforgettable bonds together.
A week before namin siyang dalhin ng heart center for his open heart surgery, pumunta muna kami dito ng Kidzuna. God only knows kung maiibalik pa namin siya. Nung pumunta kami dito, masaya siya. In-accommodate kami ng lahat ng staffs actually. Siguro kasi yun na yung huli na makikita nila or makakapaglaro dito si Ellie. And we didn't expect pa rin na hindi na rin pala namin siya maibabalik. Ilang days after ng intermediate, bumalik ako dito. May dala-dala akong isang picture niya. Sabi ko, sir, I want to slide. Kasama yung picture, bumalik ako since wala na siya, yung picture na lang niya inilagay ko. Ellie, anak, we're back. We're back sa Kidzuna. And masaya anak si nanay. Pero syempre, mas masaya kung nandito ka. Patuloy ka lang din namin mamahalin. Hanggang sa kahuli-huli mo. Maraming salamat anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Dear sweet angel Ellie, you may have left this world, but your laughter, your smile, and your playful memory will forever be engraved to our hearts as a reminder of the purest form of love a child can bring into this world.